Hello, friends. How are you all? Last session, we started one small slide for English to Hindi words translation, where we can learn English through Hindi. So, now in this session also, I am going to give a small one slide uh, exercise as well as a uh, word translation from English to Hindi. Here we have given here. आज से हमें अपनी शब्दावली को बढ़ाने के लिए कुछ अंग्रेजी शब्दों को दिल से सीखेंगे। बदले में हम अपनी अंग्रेजी भाषा को मजबूत और आत्मविश्वास से भरपूर बनाने में सक्षम होंगे। तो यहाँ पे हर रोज हम लोग कुछ इंग्लिश टू हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन पढ़ेंगे और सीखेंगे उसे और ध्यान में रखेंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, here are some few words for which we have given Hindi translation. Here, first word is here. Here means यहाँ. Next word is there. THERE, there. There का मतलब वहाँ. Everywhere. Everywhere का मतलब हर जगह. Everyone. Everyone का मतलब हर कोई. Anyone. Anyone का मतलब कोई भी. Anywhere. ANYWHERE, anywhere, कहीं भी. Everybody. Everybody means हर कोई. Nobody. Nobody means कोई नहीं. Please. PLEASE, please. Please का मतलब कृपया. Where. WHERE, where, कहाँ पे. How. HOW, how, उसका मतलब है कैसे. Now. NOW, now का मतलब अभी. WHY, why का मतलब क्यों. When. when का मतलब जब. who का मतलब होता है कौन. So friends, we have learnt here a few English words translation English to Hindi, which will enable you to understand English language and learn it fast. So now we move to our next slide, English lesson 2 part 6. So friends, here rule 4, we are going to study rule 4. Earlier we have studied rule 1 to 3 in earlier session. Here the rule 4, common gender, samanya ling. So friends, some nouns are of common gender. That is, I dot E dot means that is. I dot E dot means that is. They can be used both in the masculine and feminine genders. With such nouns, masculine pronoun is mostly used. These nouns of common gender are person, student, pupil, candidate, member, scholar, reader, etc. कुछ संज्ञाएं सामान्य लिंग की होती है, यानी अर्थात इनका उपयोग मर्दाना और स्त्रीलिंगी मर्दानी और स्त्रीलिंगी दोनों में किया जा सकता है. ऐसे संज्ञाओं के साथ ज्यादातर पुल्लिंगी सर्वनाम का प्रयोग किया जाता है. सामान्य लिंग के ये संज्ञा है व्यक्ति, छात्र, शिष्य, उम्मीदवार, सदस्य, विद्वान, पाठक आदि. So friends, examples of rule 4, common gender are as under. Example number 1, a candidate should know his strong and weak points. Number 2, a student should do his homework regularly. Number 3, readers are advised to keep their belongings outside the room. So friends, here we studied the rule 4, common gender. So please read it once or twice, thrice to understand it properly and correctly. So we move to our next slide, slide number 4. So in slide 4, English lesson 2 part 6. In a definite context, the suggestion is clearly for a girl or woman. Feminine pronouns can be used. एक निश्चित संदर्भ में सुझाव स्पष्ट रूप से एक लड़की या एक महिला के लिए है, फेमिनाइन सर्वनाम का उपयोग किया जा सकता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ ए वुमेन्स कॉलेज शुड पे हर फी इन टाइम। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, every member of our club should pay her fee in time. So friends, now we move to rule 5. Rule 5 is about baby and child. The words baby and child connote no sense of gender. Therefore, for them we generally use it. बेबी और चाइल्ड शब्द जेंडर की कोई भावना नहीं दर्शाते हैं, इसलिए उनके लिए हम आम तौर पे इट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। Examples are examples for rule 5 are given as under. Example number 1, the small child was crying for its mother. Example number 2, the baby fell down from its cradle. So friends, you will find that in all my sessions earlier as well as whichever sessions we are continuing, in that along with the English sentences we have given Hindi translation for your convenience and understanding, so that you will be able to correlate English sentence with the corresponding Hindi sentences. So please go through rule 5 to understand it better once or twice. Now we move to our next slide, slide number 4. English lesson 2 part 6, slide number 5. Here we are going to study rule 6 about the animals. Neuter gender, it is generally used for animals. So friends, it is used generally for animals. नपुंसक लिंग इट आमतौर पर जानवरों के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है। Examples of rule for animals under rule 6 are as under. Example number 1, the cow is not in its shed. The cow is not in its shed. Example number 2, the dog has hurt its leg. Important note. So friends, here is an important note. For pet animals, he oblique his or she oblique her is used. So friends, those who are having the pet animals in their home, generally for them he or his or she or her is used according to the uh, gender of the animal. पालतू जानवरों के लिए वह उसका प्रयोग किया जाता है। तो फ्रेंड्स, study it, rule 6 here, and try to understand and keep in your mind. We move to our next slide, slide number 6. So friends, English lesson 2 part 6, slide number 6. Here we are going to study rule 7, possessive, that is his, her, its. Possessives, his, her, its. The gender of possessive pronoun or adjective is determined by the gender of the noun that comes before it and not by the one that comes after it. Possessive pronoun oblique adjective के लिंग का निर्धारण उस संज्ञा के लिंग से होता है जो उसके पहले आती है, न कि उसके बाद में आने वाले से है। If you go through the examples given for rule 7, then you will be able to understand exactly what the rule says. Possessives about his, her, its. Example number 1, a son must obey his mother. So here in bracket, not her mother. So a son being a masculine gender, his his is used here. A son must obey his mother. Example number 2, a girl can learn many things from her mother, not her father. Not her father. A girl can learn many things from her father. Here girl being a girl being a feminine gender, her is used here. Example number 3, the purse has been returned to its owner, not his owner. Purse has been returned to its owner. So important note. Friends, here is an important note. The difference between a possessive noun, sorry, a possessive pronoun and possessive adjective is that possessive pronoun and possessive adjective में यह अंतर है कि possessive adjective takes a noun after it. Examples: my book, your house, his pen, their college, etc. Example number, sorry, point number B, possessive pronoun has no noun after it. Examples for this book is mine, this house is yours, this pen is his, this college is theirs. These are the examples of possessive pronoun which has no noun after it. So friends, we have studied rule 5, 6, 7 here, and we now we move to our next. So friends, here is a slide which request you for your press like button, subscribe my channel and share this